I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a dry, clear voice so processing can make it sound like radio. Set Bandlab to 24-bit and 44. 1 or 48 kHz, choose your cardioid mic, and aim for peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Once done, record a short test phrase while monitoring low latency to check tone and plosives. Make sure to use a pop filter and keep consistent distance. This gives you headroom and a neutral source for EQ and compression later. Now you shape tone and dynamics to get that authoritative radio character. First, apply a high pass at around 80 Hz and remove any muddiness between 200 and 400 Hz. This clears the low end. Then add a narrow boost near 3 to 6 kHz for presence and a gentle high shelf above 8 kHz for brightness. Once that sounds right, insert a compressor with a 3:1 ratio. Quick attack and medium release to smooth peaks while keeping natural transients. Make adjustments while listening back in context. Finish by adding subtle saturation and level control to emulate radio gear. You can use a tape or tube emulator with light drive. This adds harmonics and perceived loudness without harshness. Then use parallel compression or a gentle limiter to glue dynamics and push overall loudness toward a consistent target. Check for around -6 dB LUFS in your mix so voices stay prominent. Once done, export or master. If levels or artifacts appear, lower saturation or reduce compressor, make up gain as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.